Passive income apps can be a great way to supplement your day job or add a little oomph to your own business. But, with so many different passive income apps available, how do you know which ones are worthwhile and which are a waste of time? Today, we've compiled a list of tried and true passive income apps. Before starting this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 10. Rakuten, formerly Ebates. Rakuten is currently the most popular shopping rewards app. You've probably heard of it as Ebates, but Rakuten has owned it since 2014. The company then began fully integrating Ebates with Rakuten in 2018. The app continues to function as before, connecting you with over 2,000 online businesses that offer cashback rewards. The rewards are given to the company, which divides them among the app users. It's a great way to earn money back on your everyday purchases. Number 9. Robinhood. In addition to experimenting with real estate, you might want to look into stock trading passive income apps. There are dozens of good stock trading apps to choose from, but Robinhood stands out as one that makes trading simple for newcomers. Robinhood Markets is an American financial services company headquartered in Menlo Park, California, best known for providing commission-free stock and ETF trades via a mobile app launched in March 2015. Start slowly, set stop limits, to reduce risk of loss, and be prudent if you want to generate passive income from the stock market. If you're not greedy, you can earn a decent amount of passive income through apps like Robinhood over time. Number 8. Honeygorn. Honeygorn is the first app that enables users to earn money online by sharing their internet connection. Honeygorn is a collection of money-making applications for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android devices. It is the world's first crowdsourced web intelligence network with open participation, having been launched on May 24, 2019. Honeygorn will begin sharing your unused data with the Honeygorn network as soon as you install it. Honeygorn will begin earning money for you even while you sleep, depending on the amount of data you share. Honeygorn pays $1 per 10 gigabytes of shared data to its network members. The best part is that it has no discernible impact on network performance because it intelligently shares data based on your usage. Number 7. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance services marketplace based in Israel. The company provides a platform for freelancers to offer their services to customers all over the world. If you are willing to do small tasks on a regular basis, Fiverr is one of the passive income apps to consider. Sites like Fiverr enable users to offer standard-priced services to customers. You finish the work and get paid when customers search the large site and find your services. The key to earning passive income on Fiverr is to sell tasks that can be easily repeated with little effort. Number 6. Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker app that rewards you with digital currency, Sweatcoin, for your steps, which you can spend on gadgets, sports equipment, fitness training, healthy nutrition, and much more. Sweatcoins can be spent on goods, services, and experiences from our vendor partners or other users, donated to charity, or exchanged with friends and family for whatever you want. Sweatcoins can be redeemed for items such as a Calm app subscription, Audible books, cash in your Twine savings account, and more. Sweatcoin used to accept cash payments via PayPal, but they no longer do so. Instead, they focus on partner offers. Number 5. Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery and pickup service that operates in the United States and Canada. The company provides its services through a website and a mobile app. If it's your job to pick up groceries for your roommates, family, or significant other, why not earn a little extra money while you're at it? Users of the Instacart app can order groceries from nearby stores. When they do, the app alerts you, and you pick up your neighbor's groceries while you're already out getting your own. When you deliver the goods, Instacart splits the fee with you, making it a win-win situation for both you and your neighbor. Number 4. Airbnb. Airbnb is probably my favorite app for generating passive income. Airbnb, on the other hand, has the most potential. Airbnb allows you to earn significantly more money than any other app on the market. I made at least $500 per month by renting out an extra room in my house. I used the extra money to fund investments that will improve my financial situation in the future. Airbnb is an excellent option for people looking to supplement their income. You get instant access to a database of millions of users who could become customers. You can list your room and have customers the same day. You'll have money in your pocket in no time. Payments are made through PayPal, making it simple to deposit funds directly into your bank account or investment accounts. Number 3. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a broker that provides an electronic trading platform for financial assets such as common stocks, preferred stocks, and exchange-traded funds. It offers margin lending as well as cash management services such as checking accounts and debit cards. M1 Finance enables you to create your own stock and ETF investment portfolio, exchange-traded funds. You can also purchase fractional shares, which allow you to invest in well-known companies without paying exorbitant prices. M1 Finance also includes a number of automation tools to assist you in turning the typically time-consuming task of investing into a passive income stream. It is not, however, a consulting service. The firm now manages more than $2 billion in assets and has over 500,000 clients. Number 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a survey site that also does a lot of other things. You can earn money by watching advertisements, shopping online, and playing games. And it has a well-deserved reputation as one of the best survey sites available. However, the best way to earn passive income is through Swagbucks Local. Swagbucks Local allows you to link a card and then earn SBs, Swagbucks euphemism for points, at participating local businesses. Swagbucks Search is another passive income option available through the site. Simply set Swagbucks as your default search engine, which uses Yahoo search results, on your mobile and desktop browsers, and you'll be rewarded every time you conduct a web search. It's an enjoyable way to bank more money if you have time to kill throughout the day. Number 1. Fundrise. Fundrise is the app to use if you want to earn real passive income. Unlike many of the other apps mentioned, Fundrise is not a loyalty program, cashback, or lock screen reward app. The platform is primarily concerned with making money through real estate investments. With Fundrise, you can invest your hard-earned money in a portfolio of appealing real estate projects based on your goals. Each project in these portfolios is carefully chosen and actively developed to help you increase your net worth. This app is one of the best passive income apps and can easily assist you in achieving your desired financial freedom. You can use the Fundrise app to invest in $1 million project without having to empty your bank account. The app will also keep you up to date on the status of each project in your portfolio. That's a wrap for today's video about top 10 ways to earn passive income through apps. Hope this video gives you some knowledge. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. See you in the next one.